Hello friends, how are you all? So today we are going to see the next wall decor video. So before going into the video, please don't forget to subscribe, share and like the video. Okay, now let's go into the video. Okay, so next of all, last time we have seen how I decorate this area where I placed my bed, and next this portion. It has some colorfuls like a big mirror over there. There is a very big mirror in this area. I kept my laptop bag and small colorful stones and my drawing good vibes. In this area I stored few of my essentials which I use, and upon that I have bought two Diwali storage boxes. It was nut box, so I thought I can use it as a storage box, and upon that I kept my tab because I used it right now, so I kept it over there. And this is a very big mirror. Upon the mirror I dropped my hairband, and this is a keychain and a small kangaroo doll and some fairies, frozen too, and butterflies in this area. So this how I made my room very pleasant. And this wooden storage box, most probably here I have a plug points, so I used to charge my mobiles, my ipad, everything, earpod, everything. And this small wooden storage box I bought from Amazon, and I kept a small plant in the table. And this is a plastic table, but I didn't like the color of it, so I just painted with white color, so maybe it looks little bit antique. And here I placed my Erica palm, and over here I placed a chapel footwear, so I can use it when I enter in my room. And this Erica palm, I added some colored beads in this. When you keep any plants inside your room, so make sure that you can add some color so it looks good and make a pleasant feel in your room. After that, in this area I keep my belts I used to hang, and two masks. Next of all, we are coming to this area. I placed two butterflies and just a painting over there. And this wall is so pretty, and I love to see this wall a lot. I have placed some butterfly designs with black, and in the centered part of that I place some glittery butterfly stars and two small dream catchers. And this table has lots of plants over here, a guitar, TV and a small aeroplane, and money plant. Actually I kept this money plant outside. It grown a lot because of large amount of sunlight. It got dried little bit, so I kept it inside. And small glass bottle, a small money plant is growing inside that. And this is a bamboo plant. Actually it was getting dry, so I have separated it in this bowl. And a small clock over here, and my TV. Here I kept three plants. Because of the summer, one of this plant got dried, and this is one kind of money plant, it's growing now. And this is also a variety of money plant. It is like white leaf, it has white leaf. And this is, I think everyone could have guessed what is this. It is a footwear stand, but I make it a storage area. because it is wood, so I thought why can't I store few things over there. So I kept some diaries which I use always, and my room keys, and eye drops, wigs, and two small plants. This also getting this just I potted it. I think it will grow. Next, I have a bamboo. It was growing very healthy, and the money plant is also growing very healthy. And these are some candles. If power gone, so I use these candles. And this is one of my DIY. Holi, during Holi, we used to play with colors. So this is a oil bottle, glass bottle. So after finishing the oil, I thought I can make some decor piece with this. So I just placed two colors on it, so it was also looks like a decor piece. Even if you have any bottles, you can use it. And one small guitar, and these two are fresh up hankies, and these are some marble stones over here. And I place my water bottles flask so that I can easily take or use it. Okay, if you like my decor video, you can also please try it. And while entering to kitchen, I just place a dream catcher over there. So this how it looks. So if you like my video any of the reason, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.